Imagine a world where one woman planted over 30 million trees. Picture a scientist who pioneered a groundbreaking therapy to fight cancer. Envision a researcher whose discoveries saved hundreds of thousands of lives from malaria. These are not fictional characters. They are real African women scientists whose stories have been overlooked for far too long. Let us begin with Dr. Wangari Maathai, the first African woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize. Born in Kenya, she shattered ceilings as the first female professor in her country. But her true legacy lies in the Green Belt movement, which she started in 1977. This grassroots initiative mobilized communities, especially women, to plant trees across Africa. By the time of her passing, over 30 million trees had been planted, transforming barren landscapes into thriving ecosystems. Dr. Maathai proved that environmental conservation could be a tool for empowerment, linking tree planting to poverty alleviation and women's rights. Her work laid the foundation for modern climate activism in Africa, inspiring a new generation of environmental champions. Next, we turn to Dr. Tebello Nyokong, a South African chemist whose innovations in photodynamic therapy have revolutionized cancer treatment. Dr. Nyokong specialized in modifying dye molecules to target cancer cells when exposed to light. Her groundbreaking research has been applied globally, offering hope to countless patients battling skin and internal cancers. Despite her monumental contributions, she remains largely unknown outside specialized chemistry circles. Dr. Nyokong's journey is a testament to the resilience and brilliance of African women in STEM, proving that even in male-dominated fields, they can rise to the top. Another trailblazer is Dr. Rose Leke from Cameroon, a malaria researcher whose work has had a profound impact on global health. Leading the charge against malaria parasite resistance to drugs, Dr. Leke co-founded the African Malaria Network Trust. Her discoveries have saved hundreds of thousands of lives, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa, where malaria remains a leading cause of death. Dr. Leke's dedication to combating this disease showcases the critical role African women scientists play in addressing global health challenges. In Kenya, Dr. Kihara has made significant strides in maternal health. As the first Kenyan woman to become president of the International Federation of Gynecology and Obstetrics, she has worked tirelessly to improve maternal health outcomes. Her leadership has influenced modern maternal health policies, reducing mortality rates and ensuring safer pregnancies for women across Africa. Dr. Kihara's achievements highlight the importance of representation in global health leadership, paving the way for more African women to take on influential roles. Dr. Ameenah Gurib-Fakim of Mauritius is another remarkable figure. A biodiversity scientist, she became the first female president of Mauritius in 2015. Known as the presidential scientist, Dr. Gurib-Fakim's expertise in medicinal plants has led to the discovery of new species and the publication of over 150 scientific papers. Her presidency marked a historic moment where scientific expertise directly influenced national leadership. Though her tenure ended in controversy, her contributions to science and biodiversity remain undeniable. Ncumisa Jilata, a South African neurosurgeon, broke barriers by becoming Africa's youngest neurosurgeon at the age of 29. Graduating in May 2017, she joined the ranks of only 5 black female brain surgeons in South Africa. Dr. Jilata's achievement signals a shift in diversifying the medical workforce, addressing the historical lack of representation in high-stress fields like neurosurgery. Her story is an inspiration to young African women pursuing careers in medicine, proving that with determination, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. Dr. Nagwa Hegab of Egypt has made groundbreaking contributions to genetic medicine. Identifying genetic mutations for Fragile X syndrome and autism, she won the L'Oréal UNESCO Award for Women in Science in 2002. Her work has paved the way for modern genetic screening and counseling services in Egypt and the Middle East, addressing previously undiagnosed syndromes. Dr. Hegab's research underscores the importance of African women scientists in advancing medical knowledge and improving lives. Finally, we honor Ethel Doige, the first woman in South Africa to receive a doctorate in any subject. Her 1914 thesis on a bacterial disease of mangoes marked a significant early contribution to agricultural pathology. Yet, her work has been largely suppressed in general histories of South African science, overshadowed by male colonial figures. Dr. Doige's story reminds us of the countless women whose contributions have been erased or forgotten, urging us to reclaim their rightful place in history. The legacies of these African women scientists are not just historical footnotes. They are living testaments to the power of perseverance, innovation, and leadership. Their work continues to shape modern Africa, from sustainable development and global health initiatives to advancements in genetic medicine and STEM education. As we celebrate their achievements, we must also commit to supporting the next generation of African women scientists, ensuring that their stories are told and their contributions recognized. These women were not just scientists. They were pioneers, leaders, and changemakers who dared to dream of a better world. And in doing so, they changed it forever.